A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Taming Chaos, the art and science of transforming negative energy. Ladies and gentlemen, chaos is an inescapable force in human existence, an ever-present current shaping both individual lives and the broader world. In today's hyper-connected reality, disorder manifests in countless forms: emotional turbulence, mental unrest, social discord, and global crisis. It unsettles the mind, weakens resolve, and distorts perception. But is chaos merely an external force, or does it originate within? More importantly, can it be understood, harnessed, and ultimately tamed? Let's explore the science of chaos and its effects on the human brain and body. Neuroscience reveals that chaos, whether real or perceived, activates the body's stress response, flooding the system with cortisol and adrenaline. The amygdala, the brain's emotional epicenter, becomes hyperactive, impairing rational decision making. Chronic exposure reshapes neural pathways, heightening anxiety, diminishing cognitive flexibility, and weakening immune defenses. Yet, chaos is not inherently destructive. The brain, highly adaptive, thrives in structured disorder when consciously navigated. Moments of challenge forge resilience, much like ancient teachings suggest. Disorder is not the adversary, but untamed energy awaiting mastery. Let's look at the negative energy, the untamed force that breeds chaos. At its core, negative energy stems from unregulated thought patterns shaped by the health of physical, mental, emotional, and aspirational energies. A mind clouded by stress or imbalance loses its ability to regulate thoughts, making it susceptible to external negativity, whether from toxic environments, fear, or societal unrest. Negativity, like a force of nature, cannot be countered with more negativity. Like charges repel, conflict begets conflict, resentment breeds more of the same. The only antidote is the opposite of negativity, that is positivity. However, channeling positivity is neither instinctive nor effortless. It requires deliberate practice, self-awareness, and discipline. Let's also look at the controllability of chaos, what lies within and beyond reach. Some forms of chaos, economic shifts, natural disasters, geopolitical tensions, they lie beyond personal control. However, internal chaos remains within reach. The mind's response to adversity determines whether disorder leads to collapse or to transformation. Ancient wisdom echoes this truth. True mastery begins from within. Let's also understand the alchemy of inner transformation, how to master chaos. The practice of taming chaos requires cultivating inner stillness and awareness. Effective techniques include 1. Mindfulness and meditation, disrupting negative thought loops with conscious presence. 2. Cognitive reframing, shifting destructive narratives into constructive insights. 3. Physical movement, utilizing exercise to dissipate effects of stress hormones and restore equilibrium. 4. Controlled breathing techniques, activating the parasympathetic nervous system to restore calm. 5. Immersing in positivity, absorbing uplifting content, environments and relationships. 6. Acts of kindness, elevating collective vibrational energy through service to others. Across traditions, Stoicism, Buddhism, Taoism, the message remains constant. One who masters the self masters the world. What's the way forward? Transcending chaos into clarity is the way. The path forward lies not in resisting chaos, but in reshaping response to it. External unpredictability is inevitable, yet internal mastery provides an unshakable anchor. Neuroscience, psychology, and ancient wisdom all converge on a singular truth. Energy, whether positive or negative, bends to conscious practice. With discipline, chaos ceases to be an affliction, a distress, and becomes a crucible for transformation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a higher perspective on chaos is to understand that chaos is neither a curse nor an enemy. It is a force of evolution. It exposes vulnerabilities, forges resilience, and refines wisdom. Those who learn to navigate it do not merely survive, they ascend. Faith in the cosmic order, trust in the divine rhythm, and the realization that this too shall pass, empower the mind to transcend disorder. And as Lao Tzu profoundly stated, if you correct your mind, the rest of your life will fall into place. The choice remains to be swept away by turbulence or to rise above, transforming chaos into clarity, adversity into strength, and uncertainty into boundless potential. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, as portrayed in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna imparts timeless wisdom to a conflicted Arjuna. He emphasizes navigating chaos and uncertainty through detachment, equanimity, and devotion to one's duty, that is, dharma, guiding Arjuna therefore to rise above fear and desire by focusing on purposeful action over outcomes. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.